not gonna understand.
Okay, guys,
nothing.
let's go ahead and look at your performance task for Standard 12. Standard 12 just refers to the skill we've been practicing, multiplying fractions. Okay, so the instructions tell us to consider the rectangle below. How can you use the rectangle as an area model for 2/3 times 5/6? So an area model is just any rectangle that you use the inside space to show your work. So here we have an area model that shows 2/3, and we're going to multiply that times 5/6. Okay, so those are our two area models that you could use just to represent the fractions. 2/3 times 5/6. I should put my 5/6 with this one. Okay, but what they're asking us to figure out is how to use this area model here to show the multiplication. Okay, so before I show you that, I just want to remind you that when we look at multiplying fractions, we're going to read the expression this way. We're going to show 2/3 of 5/6. So it's going to be a portion of 5/6. All right, so let's go ahead and show, here's one group out of 6. It has 3 pieces in it. Here's 2 groups out of 6, 3 groups out of 6, 4/6, and 5/6. Okay. Since I have sets of 3, the area of my 5/6 is 15, but the overall fraction of the whole, that's my 5/6. Okay, and then I'm going to take 2/3 of that.
What?
So I'm going to take a portion of 5/6. I'm going to take 2 out of every group of 3. So here's 1, 2 out of a group of 3. Here's 1, 2 out of a group of 3. 1, 2 out of this group of 3. 1, 2 out of this group of 3. 1, 2 out of this group of 3. So what does that leave us with? 2/3 of 5/6 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 out of a total of 18. And of course I can double check that by simply multiplying my numerators together. 2 times 5 equals 10, and multiplying my denominators together. 3 times 6 equals 18. So 10/18 is my product or my answer. And of course I can simplify that because I can divide both of these by 2. Let's see, 10 divided by 2 is 5, and 18 divided by 2 is 9. So that would leave us with a final answer of 5/9. But for the purposes of the area model, this is what you're going to need to show. Okay, so now your job is to write a sentence about how the area model helps you understand that when we multiply fractions, we're taking a portion of our second fraction. I'm going to give you some sentence starters to help you with that. Fractions is taking a portion of a fraction. Okay, so it might help if I put this area model on my sentence starter page. So the area model helps me understand that multiplying fractions is taking a portion of a fraction. Because, okay, then you fill in the blank with your idea. How does the area model help you to see that multiplying? There it is. Okay, alternatively, another thing you could do is describe the steps that we took to use the area model. So you could say, first, to use the area model, we did this, next we did this, last we did that. Either would be fine. Okay, good luck and have fun.